Hey friends, a lot of users have been complaining that Windows Hello couldn't turn on the camera. So what can be done in this case? Now, let me tell you this thing that the camera application on your system is not just an app, it is also a connector for the camera. So let us reset the camera application before anything else. Search for the camera application, go to app settings, wait for it to load, scroll down, reset it, and then reset it. Now, let's see if it helps. If it doesn't help, obviously we'll have to wait till it gets a tick mark here. And if it doesn't help, then straight away search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on Device Manager, expand cameras, right click on the active camera and update the drivers. If both of these solutions are not helping, then you will have to get the camera tested whether or not it is compatible with Windows Hello. And actually, a lot of webcams are not compatible with Windows Hello. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.